Had a little video on the Milwaukee packout system. This is the new system that Milwaukee's got out, where the boxes integrate, lock together. They got totes too. This is their tote they got, and they got a little button under here. You push button, slide the tote off. These little boxes, each individual boxes. These are the fuel ones. It has the little impact. They got the drill, the charger, the battery. Everything's inside of one. You get them for the drill or the impact. And you can grab the handle, push that up, take it off. Same with this one. And these, I got them used, little separators where you put your screws, nails, bolts, plumbing supplies, whatever you want to put in there. And they lock together, these little ridges right here. The bottom side of these boxes, right here, latch into them. You see the little grooves on the sides. And then this front little part right here, that's the little knob that locks down right into the tray right in here, so they all interlock. But if you want to take them apart, you can take them apart. You can lock two boxes together, and you can carry two if you want. Another organizer. Put whatever you want in there. Do plumbing work, painting work, carpentry work, mechanic work. Same way with this one. Grab it by the front. And this is their organizer first kit. You get the bottom box with the wheel, the center box, and then the top box. Top box, you can put in your drills, screw bits. They got little compartments on the sides. Compartments on this side. Put screws, boxes, whatever you want on there. Lifts out. Nice thing, the handles lock up in position. So you can slide them forward. And you can open the lid. Put your stuff in there, and then if you don't latch the front down on the second box, when you lift the handle, you could still lift it, because on the sides here, when you lift the handle up, see the little part, the little lock comes out and locks right in for you, which is a good idea. And the lids stay up, flip them up. They got storage compartments in them. Lock them back together. Push them back and they lock in. Set in, locks in. Set it down in there. Push back, locks in. Build it however you want, however many boxes you want. take whatever amount of boxes you want to the job site. And you got the tote. Tote sits on, it's got a little lock right there. These little gray parts stick forward. This is the middle-sized tote. They make a smaller tote. They make a larger tote that takes up both sides of the boxes. But if you're looking for the Milwaukee packout, this is an awesome system that they got out. It's got adjustable handle in the back, wheels, big tires, tie downs. Just right now at Christmas time, hard to find. You have to wait for them to start making them back out. But if you're considering a tool system, storage system, a little bit more expensive than the D-walled out there or the rigid, but I think these are built way tougher. They got little reinforcements on the corners, the little lock parts, got metal in them. So, take a look at Packout, Milwaukee Packout. Thanks for watching.